In this CoinSpace wallet review, I'll share my experience and provide links in the description. CoinSpace is a simple, yet effective, multi-currency wallet supporting major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It's ideal for users wanting an easy-to-use wallet prioritizing simplicity, security, and core functionality. Designed for both beginners and experienced users, it offers a lightweight solution for securely storing and managing crypto assets. CoinSpace's intuitive interface makes navigation easy, especially for crypto newcomers. The clean design enables quick sending, receiving, and storing of cryptocurrencies without complexity. In my experience, the app performed smoothly. Setup was quick, involving a straightforward backup process using a recovery phrase for fund restoration. Security is key. As a non-custodial wallet, private keys are stored locally on your device, giving you full control. Passcodes and biometric authentication, fingerprint, Face ID, add another security layer. I appreciated the seamless integration of these features. CoinSpace includes basic features, transaction history, QR code scanning, and real-time balance updates. While lacking advanced options like exchanges or staking, it's perfect for users wanting a no-frills wallet focused on secure holding. It suits those who value simplicity and aren't interested in complex platforms. Overall, CoinSpace is ideal for anyone seeking a straightforward, reliable, and secure multi-currency wallet. While lacking advanced features, its simplicity and ease of use make it a solid choice for everyday crypto management, especially for beginners. If you want a no-frills wallet, CoinSpace is worth considering. Check the description for more information and download links.